Is the Denver industrial flex market stronger than ever right now? Flex market overview and more coming right up. Welcome to Industrial Live with your host, Jeff Hine, where it is our goal to make you more money. Now today we are looking at industrial flex stats in the greater Denver area for buildings between 10,000 to 100,000 square feet. And before we get started, let's just answer the question, Jeff, what exactly is a flex building? So a flex property is sort of the gray area between warehouse and office. It's an industrial property with certain industrial characteristics like heavy power, high ceilings, special loading doors. But it has a significant office build out too, usually at least 25%, 50%, office warehouse is pretty common. It could be all the way up to 100% office. But again, it has those special characteristics that make it viable for industrial purposes, warehousing, manufacturing, etc. All right, so let's talk about vacancy. Vacancy for flex properties in Denver is at a historical low 5.2%. Now, this is down from 6.2% a year ago, and it's really just a tick over the Denver industrial average of 4.8%. And that 4.8% number has gone up due to a surge of new warehouse deliveries. So we're seeing that vacancy gap between warehouse and flex close. Speaking of deliveries, we saw about 250,000 square feet of flex deliveries in 2018. We're on a similar pace for 2019. Now, looking at total industrial deliveries in the Denver area, this 250,000 square feet, it only accounts for about 6% of total industrial deliveries, which are closer to the 4 million square foot mark. So this is really just a fraction of the total industrial deliveries that we're seeing. Now, how about absorption? We absorbed about 450,000 square feet in 2018. Now, absorption has steadily been outpacing deliveries every year since 2010. And that's been leading to this slow and steady decline of the vacancy rate that we are seeing today. Now, how are rents doing? Rents just crossed the $13 a foot threshold. We are now at $13.03 a foot plus triple net. Now, these flex rents we've been seeing grow around 5 to 6% year over year for the past 5 years. Last but not least, let's talk about every investor's favorite number, cap rates. We have another historic low right here, 6.5%. So this number seems low, right? And it could be low. It's CoStar data. You get what you pay for, which is a lot of money in this case. So it should be good data. But it's not too surprising when you look at where the 10-year Treasury bill is at right now. As of today, when I'm recording this, July 2nd, 2019, it just dipped below 2%. We're at 1.98% right now. So it's not surprising that cap rates are staying very low, especially in a competitive industrial market in Denver, one of the hottest markets around. So overall, to wrap up, the Denver industrial flex market is looking very strong right now, arguably stronger than ever with these low numbers for vacancy and cap rates. We've been seeing flex demand stay steady and strong, but we haven't really seen construction keep pace with that. So we'll see how that story evolves, and we'll be sure to keep you in the loop going forward. Thank you so much for tuning into Industrial Live today. I'm your host, Jeff Hine. I'll see you next time.